Let's create a geometrical rainbow clock using resin and pencils. First, we're going to layer out our pencils in different colors. We're going to cut out the same size, loads of little bits, and stick them together by colors. We're then going to be cutting out shapes inside of them. Once you're done, we're going to file the edges. Make everything super smooth. We then drew our design onto paper and we're going to stick the different bits onto it. Once you're done, we're going to put some plastic around it to create the mold. We're putting some hot glue so the resin won't go everywhere. We're then going to be mixing some black color with resin and pour it in the middle. This is such an amazing effect. Once hardened, take the mold off. We're going to sand it. We're then going to be cutting out our numbers using a laser. And we're going to apply see-through resin on top of everything. File it again. Make the edges super smooth around. Put more see-through resin on top of everything. Do the same at the back. We're putting some oil to make it shine. I'm going to drill a hole in the middle for the mechanics. Put the needles at the front. And here's the result. Absolutely gorgeous.